Oh, sorry.
Okay. On February 17th, 1963, the greatest basketball player in the world entered, and the game was forever changed. Phil Knight said, "You can't explain much in 60 seconds, but when it comes to the person honoring today, you don't have to. It's that simple." He is arguably the best basketball player that will ever play the game. During his time in the NBA and in college, he was awarded many different awards and achieved many different things. This reason and many more are why we award him the Space Jam Achievement Award today. This award is presented to those who have proved themselves in extraordinary ways and have a vast range of impressive talents. The recipient is a basketball player, golf player, baseball player, businessman, and a father. Michael Jordan attended college at the University of North Carolina at Chapel Hill, beginning in 1981. According to Biography.com, in 1982 he led the NCAA Division I championship team of UNC by scoring the final basket against Georgetown. In 1983 and 1984, Jordan was the NCAA College Player of the Year, and during his 3 years at UNC, he scored a total of 720 points with an average of 7.1 points per game. In 1984, Jordan was a part of the Olympic basketball team in Los Angeles. This was the first Olympic team he was on. The second was the Dream Team. The Dream Team was, according to NBA.com, the greatest team ever assembled in any sport. This included, for example, Larry Bird Johnson, Charles Barkley, and Patrick Ewing, and Karl Malone. This team was assembled after a long duration of time and planning. His father is quoted as saying, "What he does have is a competition problem. He was born with that. The person he tries to outdo the most of the time is himself." His NBA career began after his junior year of college when he went second pick overall to the Chicago Bulls. In 1985, Jordan returned to college to finish his degree in geography. During his first years with the Bulls, he was awarded Player of the Year, Rookie of the Year. He scored an average of 28.2 points per game and was also selected to play in the All-Star game. ESPN states that he was the first person since Wilt Chamberlain to score 3,000 points per season. He was awarded the most valuable player in the NBA 5 times. In the 1990s, Jordan was a part of the championship team 3 times, in 1990, 92, and 93 for the Bulls. In 93, Jordan decided to retire from basketball due to a tragedy that struck his life. His father was murdered by 2 teenagers that were attempting to rob him. In 1995, he rejoined the Bulls and once more led them to a championship. In 1996, he starred in Space Jam, and his story was told for children of all ages. In 2009, he received the basketball's greatest honor and was introduced to the James Naismith Memorial Hall of Fame. He is quoted as saying he knew after this he could go no further in basketball because this is the highest honor you could receive. In 1984, Michael signed an endorsement with Nike for 5 years, totaling $2.5 million plus royalties. According to the Foot Locker, in 1985, Nike gave Michael his own line of footwear called Air Jordan. There are over 15 types of Air Jordan, and the brand continues to be important and valuable today. We award the Space Jam Achievement Award to Michael for other reasons in addition to his basketball career and other sports achievements. He is also a supporter of many different charities, including Habitat for Humanity, American Motorcyclist Association, the Boys and Girls Club, and the Special Olympics. He raised $500,000 for Habitat for Humanity during the time of Hurricane Katrina, and then another $450,000 for the Boys and Girls Clubs of New Orleans. He did this by selling off pairs of his Air Jordans that were signed, and he raised almost $1 million for those in New Orleans during the time. In conclusion, we award Michael this award because he has demonstrated many different talents that we find applicable to the award. He is a great person overall. He helps everyone that he can, and he tries to better their lives in many different ways. So, in conclusion, this is going to take
Michael Jordan!
Okay, you can pan the crowd again.